Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, and I have cats swarming around a box. Why do cats love a box? I got here some boxes in a box. Einkel trail camera. Let's see. Trail camera. 12 megapixels, 1080p, IP56 waterproof. It's got a LCD display. 120 degree range. Look at that. I don't know the name. There's all kinds of specs. Cool. So there's a display. Look at that. That's what I think is bothering me out here. And that's what I'm going to be bothering myself. Dear. So let's see. There's 3 of these. Probably the same. Let me get these open and see. PH730S. Yep, there's 2. And there's a 3rd. Oh wait, that feels different. Let's see what this is. It feels different. Oh, maybe not. Well, let me see. PH730S. So we got 3 cameras. Heavy, heavy, heavy little box. What do we got here? Nickel metal hydroxide rechargeable battery 16 pack. Might need to get the scissors for that. I'll come back to that. And 3 ultra fast 32 gig SD cards. And a box for the cats. Here guys. Whoever. There's 3 cats that didn't know which one I was saying. I'm going to have to get these on a charger right away. We lost another cat last night, guys. So the timing of this can't be better. We lost a cat. The mother of the kittens out there vanished. Not last night. Was it last night? The night before. Last night I put the cats in the garage and put them in there with food and water and litter. They weren't happy. I had to trick them in there and lock them up for the night. And then whatever it was came after me last night, which was quite terrifying. I didn't get a look at it, but it was very, very scary. It was not at all a nice feeling. So I want to see what's out there. So that's actually Amazon Basics batteries. How weird is that? 2,000 milliamp hours, AA's. Interesting. Well, I'm going to get them right out on the chargers. So there's 2 packs of batteries. I'm going to guess they're all the same. Run them out on the charger and get these running today and find out what's out there killing all my cats and hunting us. Well guys, this is a package sent from Ruben. He said I can share his name, but I'm not going to share your full name. Trust me, you don't want that. Thank you very, very much. And I'm going to get these going today, immediately, and get them out there and find out what's out there, because we don't dare let Michelle out at all now. No way. We just don't feel safe. We've lost cats in various hours, and I haven't been able to see it. So this is awesome. Thank you very, very much, and I'll probably do some reviews on these and see how they go. So I'll get them going and we'll check it out. When I open these up, we'll do that on camera too. So let's have a look at this camera. I think this video is going to be all about the cameras, to be honest. There's a warranty card. There's a user manual. Simple operating instructions, very good. I like simple. It's definitely got some infrared LEDs out there, around there. let's have a look here. First impressions. Boy, that's got a lot of stuff on the front. There's 2 things here, 2 things here. Interesting, because that's a, I don't know, there's a light daylight sensor. There's a some couple other LEDs here, plus the infrared LEDs. It's got an interesting bracket on the back. Look at that LCD display. I can't wait to see what that looks like. Menu, replay, video. So there's videos and stills, shots. On off switch, I believe that is. And there's a, what does it do with this? Can it plug right into your computer? Where's this? There's looks like, I don't know what that is. There's a mini USB port with some cables. And there's a mini USB charging port, maybe? A charging cable. It's a normal USB to the mini USB, the old style one. I'm going to have to look at the instructions here and see what's going on. I'm just curious. So the memory card goes in here, there's USB port, and there's an on-off. Interesting. Well, I definitely have to read the quick instructions on this. Will we be back in a minute? So I've read a little about this, and I took off the protective stickers. So this is sort of cool. It's got sensors to the right and to the left to sense something coming, which pre-prepares the camera for when something passes in front. I like that because most of my cameras have, the reason I've never get any video footage around here is the cameras I have a very slow response rate. So when something passes by, it's gone. 1, 2, 3, and now it starts to record. The 2 of the cameras I got have a 3-second record. So I put out the camera last night and I got a footage of pitch black darkness and nothing. So something triggered the camera last night, was out after the cats and after me. The cats were in the garage and safe, but I didn't feel safe. Whatever it was, I felt it was after me. It was scary. But the camera just captured black darkness, and that's why I've never got any footage of anything before. This is amazing because it has the directional sensors here. So you open it up. I'm going to pop in a memory card first. I'm going to pause and get this open. Pop in a memory card. I'm guessing it goes like this. If it goes in. There we go. Okay, got a nice click. The battery tray opens. I've got 8 batteries charged. The first thing I did is put them on charge today. Hopefully they'll have enough power to run this. Rechargeables are not very good with these, and another problem with my cameras, I can never keep batteries in them. So the one has C batteries. The one that does work, my old Tasco, well, it doesn't. This is what I had running last night, and it has big old C batteries in it. And the problem is it burns them out so fast. It's cold out right now, and these were brand new batteries, and they didn't last for anything. And of course they were cheaper, but I can't afford the good C's and the D's, so that's just outrageous to run this stuff. This camera sort of works, but last night it just recorded black. So the animal was out there, but I didn't get it on video. So anyway, we'll put this in there. And the expensive ones I had quit. They just quit. Don't know what's up with that. I'm tired of messing with them. So, there's an on-off switch. Oh, look, there's a pretty image. Oops, now it's an image of whatever. Let's try that again. It was really cool. Off. I think there's... yeah, it has a screensaver. Okay, there's a test There's test. Shows you a little happy deer image, and then it shows you what's going on in the room. Hello, hi everybody. So that's sort of cool. So I'm going to go through that. Already you see the battery indicator. Can you see the battery indicator? Is a tiny, tiny, tiny touch below full, but it is up there. So I'm going to go through the menu functions and set this up. Interesting. Oh, it has real color at different occasions. And then it turns to yellowish. Interesting. There's real color. That's odd. It doesn't like the light on there. But anyway, I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to go through the setup. Here's your little closing screen. And we'll figure this out. We'll be back in a little bit. Okay, I've entered my settings. I'm satisfied. I forgot to mention there was some other accessories in the box. There's a strap to connect it to your tree or whatever. There's also an amazing set of hardware for screwing it to a tree or a building, which is great. Actually, there's I went on the internet and checked them out, and they also suggest using this for home security as well. So there's all kinds of amazing accessories come with this, which is impressive. Alright guys, well, I'm going to set this out, and I'm not going to go any further with where I put this or what, and that'll probably be the end of this video for now. I'm going to continue on with charging up all the batteries and setting up all 3 cameras and getting them out there tonight, and hopefully we're going to catch some critters on camera tonight, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. So I want to say thank you again very much for these amazing cameras, and I'm going to go out and start setting things up and preparing. It's getting dark out early tonight. So this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Talk to you guys later. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Good night.